Now let's start cutting our project to remove things we don't want. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to make this view bigger by clicking on this button right here. And that just makes it so that this fills the whole timeline down here. You can also use this little dial here and these plus and minus buttons to zoom in like so. So I just want this to be a little bigger so I can see what's going on. And there we go. So I'm going to scroll to the beginning. And for this first about 1 second or so, there's silence. I can see that because I can see that there's no sound waves there. So what I'm going to do is put my mouse right on the left boundary and click and drag it to get rid of that empty space. And you can see as soon as I do that, it gets rid of it. And it also snapped my video all the way to the left, all the way to the beginning again. So that's good. That's what I want. And then I can see here, there's another little gap. So what I'm going to do right there is put my playhead there. And what I'm going to do here is grab my blade tool. So I'm going to come over to this arrow here. I'm going to click on split. My mouse turns into this razor blade. I'm going to click right there where my playhead is. And then I'm going to click right where that sound begins again. So right where that silence stops. And I've isolated this little section. I'm going to go back to my select tool, select this little clip. You can see it has a white line around it. And I'll hit delete on my keyboard, or you can right click and click delete here. And that gets rid of it. And now that little silence is gone. So that's what I would do, is go through this whole video, cut out all the excessive silences, or if there's parts where I said something I didn't mean to, I would cut those out as well using the same method. So go ahead, do a rough cut on your video, get rid of anything that isn't needed, and click on this video to meet me in lesson 6.